Hello everyone. Welcome back to episode 11 of Microsoft Power BI PL 300 exam series. This is your host, Apka Consultant, bringing you another topic, another day. Today's topic is data preparation in Power BI, data cleaning, etc. Uh, in case you have not been following this series, you can check out the playlist. It will pop up right here. And yep, you can watch along with me, solve with me, prepare with me. So, yeah, without further ado, let's begin and see today's question. So the question is, as a report curator working with datasets where a particular column's format might vary, creating potential errors, your goal is to filter out these errors from appearing during data refreshes while also compiling an error log for subsequent analysis. To achieve this, select and sequence 5 steps from the given options. Step 1, duplicate the primary dataset. Second, manually update the dataset format pre refresh. Third, disable data loading for the initial dataset copy. Fourth, in one duplicated dataset, isolate errors and in the alternate, cleanse the errors. Fifth, adjust the refresh frequency of the dataset. Sixth, implement a custom column specifically designed to document errors. Seventh, exclude the problematic column likely to cause errors. So these are the 7 steps given. You have to arrange them in sequence. So yeah, these are your 5 options. I can pause the video for 10 seconds. You can think and select your answers accordingly. Your time starts now. So yeah, time's up. Let's see what is the solution. So is option C 13647. So let's just look at it. One is obviously duplicating the primary dataset and then disabling the loading for initial dataset copy, then implement a custom column and so on. So as a straightforward version, I will also explain it to you with the help of a sample report how you can achieve this. So yeah, that is on this topic, and this slide contains the overall explanation of the solution. You can pause the video here, you can go through these pointers, so it will definitely increase your understanding on this topic. That is on this. Second, again, why other options are incorrect, you can go through these explanation. Yeah. And again, just reiterating, I am leveraging this course from Udemy on Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst, and the topic is from preparing the data. So that is on the question part. Let's quickly jump and see Microsoft Power BI query editor and play along in solving the question. So I have Power BI desktop open. I have loaded this orders table. Just look at the data. Uh, it contains 5 columns. It is not cleaned, but yeah, let me just go through the Power Query editor. So I've already change the type. So yeah, this is the column 1, 2, 3, 5 columns are there. Also, before deep diving into cleaning this data set, what you can do is use this step called use first rows as header is very handy because the headers for these columns are not correct, right? Column 1, and if you look closely, the headers are actually in the first row. Order ID, order date, customer name, state and city. So what you can do is use this option, use first word as header. This option is getting captured here. So now what you can do is identify errors and clean them. So what you need to do is now is first duplicate this orders, right? So where you need to right click on it and duplicate, right? Let's rename it to order new. Now, first one, you can disable the load, do it, and now work on the new data set. So now you have the new orders, and previously the existing data set you have disabled the load. So whatever you are performing here, you will have a definitely copy to it, right? So now what you need to do is go to view tab and click on column quality so that you can easily identify the errors or empty cells in the column. So you can see in every column there are some empty values, right? 1%, 1 1. So I have not in every, but in 3 4 columns they are empty. So what you can do is filter down these rows, right? So you can isolate those rows, right? Yep. So this row basically contain errors is not there, but yeah, some random values. So what you can do is use the option of remove rows, right? Remove blank rows, you can you can use it here. Yeah, you have the option of remove errors at well, you can perform these operations, and voila, you can do it like this. So it is not performing here because it is not considering these as blank. So what you need to do is, let's say, replace. You can do this, you can perform replace values, right? Just find this here and replace it with, let's say, null. Okay, so its null is there. Now remove rows, remove blank rows. Yeah, so now table is empty. So we need to unfilter it, right? So yeah, now this is done. You still have some empty values. You can again filter this down and perform the same operations, right? So you have this ABC and this. So yeah, this is how you can do it. You can replace them with null. So in Power BI, null is treated as a blank rows. You can use the option of blank rows, and voila, you can perform various operations on your data set. So this is part of data cleaning. So similarly to it, you can select your answers. Hope this topic is clear to you and you are able to solve questions. So yeah, looking forward to the next video. Thank you very much for watching.